Please make time to watch this video kasi it's a very short yet very meaningful video for those who is our first timer user ng Hikari Ultra White Rejuvenating Set. Her question is paano raw ang tamang paggamit ng Rejuve? Yung order po ng pag-apply. Tsaka after po ng Rejuve set, ano po ang pang-maintain? First time user. So here's the tips and special ways how to use our Hikari Ultra White Rejuvenating Set. First, every morning you have to wash it with our Hikari Skin Ultra White na soap. Huwag ibabad, hindi po plato ang inyong mukha. Okay? Tama na po ang 30 seconds to 1 minute. I-rub nyo lang siya sa face ng tama at ng soft. Gamitin nyo siya every morning and evening. So sa morning after nyan, don't forget to use our Hikari Ultra White Day Cream. Day Cream is to protect your skin from any UVA and UVB rays. So every morning, huwag mawawala. Ito po ang isa sa napakagandang sunscreen sa balat ng television. Now, every night. So dito tayo magkakatalo. Laging hugasan ng face bago mag-skincare. You have two options. First option, kung gusto nyo ng hindi naman todo bakbak, pwede ka mag-toner at mag-night cream every other night until ma-reach mo yung glass skin at yung ganda ng skin na gusto mo. But, if you have pimples, marks, acne, damihan mo lang yung night cream every night. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Sure yan. Sigurado ang pagganda ng balat. Toner din, every night din po yan. Toner at night cream. Okay?